Before this video starts, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so that you don't miss any future tech tutorials. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to check your previously purchased apps on your iCloud account, or any apps that you downloaded in the past on your iPhone. So first, hold your finger on the App Store icon, right here, and click on Purchased. Now here it should say My Purchases and maybe a family member's purchases or family purchases. I'll click on mine, and you can see everything you purchased or the ones that are just not on your iPhone currently. I'll click not on this iPhone, and then you can scroll down to see which one you want, or you can just search it up if it's a particular one. I hope you found it informative. Thank you for watching this video.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.